Using AHKC, the state-of-the-art upper cervical technique, we see amazing results. This is done without twisting or snapping of the spine, allowing us to deliver precise upper cervical adjustments. This is done by having the patient in a half side lying position with their head rotated.
We calculate the exact vectors from the skull, the atlas, the top bone of the spine, and the rest of the cervical spine to ensure the most gentle and precise adjustment in order to correct neurologic dysfunction. Upper cervical misalignments have various causes.
Those causes can be head injuries, whiplash injuries, or other various traumas. This does not mean immediately following those accidents that there will be symptoms, which we find oftentimes does happen. However, these misalignments left unfound or uncorrected can lead to serious neurological dysfunction.
Luckily at the ACE Chiropractic clinics, this is exactly where our focus lies.
This is why we are so effective at helping patients achieve their health goals.